Hi, we're doing a video examination and inspection of the Natural Farm Ultra Premium Collagen Sticks Peanut Butter. And what they say is these are Natural Farm offers the highest quality treats to keep your best friend healthy and happy. Our dog treats are sourced from free-range, grass-fed meat and poultry, and are prepared and 100% free of by dog. I haven't even opened this. I have not even opened this. And look what these dogs are doing. So let's get one open here. Here, you want one? I think Zeta wants one. Sadie, you want one? Here, get it. Well, you better get it. Tossie's got one. Okay, well.